Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by assessing the skin under natural light. Identify redness, blue veins, dark circles, or sallowness so you pick the right corrector. Once decided, dab a pea-sized amount on a palette and use a small brush for precision. Apply thin layers only where needed. Make sure to blend edges immediately with a tapping motion to avoid harsh lines, and let that layer set briefly before moving on so your concealer won't separate later. After the corrector sits, apply a skin tone concealer directly over it using a small brush or fingertip, focusing on thin, building strokes. Tap to blend. This preserves pigment placement and prevents wiping the correcting layer away. Once covered, use a damp sponge to press the product into skin for a seamless finish, making sure transitions are feathered. Then check in natural light, and if coverage needs strengthening, repeat the thin layer method rather than piling. To finish, lightly press translucent powder over corrected areas to lock everything in. Avoid heavy sweeping motions which can shift product. If you notice cakey texture, dampen a clean sponge with a drop of facial oil and gently press to smooth without removing coverage. For mismatched tones, mix a small amount of foundation or moisturizer with your concealer on the back of your hand to subtly adjust shade and opacity. If staining persists, remove with micellar water and restart only on the affected spot.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.